My people, I agree to now for any area I want to do. My people, how now to see Emeka Ike topic for Facebook. You know, the first time when Emeka Ike shout come out, he can't first talk about his wife, oh, he can't shout, he can't talk, you know. People come, they say, hey, Emeka Ike wife, because they never hear his wife. Oh, people come, they shout, hey, Emeka Ike wife, come and talk, Emeka Ike wife, come and talk. You see this life, Emeka Ike is not a madman. People don't know, say he don't decrease. You can see the voice recording when he come out. Look at the way this man is yanning. You are not going to this thing. Go and hug this. Go and hug that. Go and hug this. Go and hug that. This man, when he don't act moving for more than how many years, this man don't still get sense. This man, his brain don't kaput. Emeka Ike, your brain is kaput. Did you know why you are going crazy like this? Because you have already failed as a father. When father fail, this is how they shout. They will be shouting. I wish you are not a failure now. You won't be shouting on your son. Telling your son that Don Jazzy is not going to see you. Who Don Jazzy help? Don Jazzy is a musician. If your son don't see Don Jazzy, you know if he make her as a musician, the rest Nigerian musician, they see Don Jazzy before they make her. To see how stupid this man is. Emeka Ike, you are a disgrace to a fatherhood. People, whether they support you, say, why his son go come out? Why his son go come out? Because the son know the truth. That when this man came out years back to talk about his wife, he never tell anybody on that fateful day that he's a wife beater. He never said that he raised up his hand and beat his wife one day. This man just came and just spoiled his wife's name, that his wife had do this, his wife has sold out your house, blah, 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 blah. Everybody believe on Emeka Ike. Then the second time, Emeka Ike came out again this year and start rubbishing his ex-wife. That his ex-wife is this, ex-wife is that. My ex-wife, look at how my ex-wife have turned me into. When I came back, where I keep my house is no longer there again. Where I keep my car is no longer there again. My house is no longer there again. Are you serious? How can you build a house by you coming back? Your house is not in that particular place again. You could have just tell us that your wife have sold your house. Then we understand your language. You told us that every of your property was moved out of the place where you left them, including a building. Bro, wait first. Even a building self. This man said that his wife have taken his building out of the place where he built his house. Yeah. I said, no, this man, he not normal again. See Emeka Ike picture now, at this moment. If Emeka Ike should look like that, at this moment, Emeka Ike, he not wear again. He don't enter street. Those bloggers, you people should stop. Some of them, they are out there talking to Emeka Ike's son. Did you know what is abuse? There is a lot of abuse people see in their matrimonial home. Some people see beating abuse. Some people see men that always shout. Some people see men when not they sleep house. A lot of things, useless men is everywhere. Why be say una not the judge men? Oh, because in una this thing, una traditional law say make can go gaga, make can be crazy, make can do this, make can do this. That is what you people traditional law said. But when it comes to English marital home, when we talk of white wedding, is a different law than what do you call it, traditional one. You know why most Nigerian people today, they are crazy on the street, shouting like a mad dog, like a wounded dog, because they preach their traditional. Because the way they abuse their traditional way, you don't abuse the white wedding like that. You know they abuse white wedding. You see a man, and when you divorce, before you go to marry for church, you must take you long time. You cannot divorce this year. Next year, you go church again, go marry. You know the Bible. Traditional one give you this dirty lifestyle. You people are living today. Because traditional people bring the law, you people decide to take the law to the mold. That is why when you see marriages in Nigeria today, you see Nigerian men, they are crazy. They know that when they marry, they divorce. Maybe in traditional one, not English one. No. When they married in tradition, they divorce in tradition. In the next 6 months, they will still pick another woman. Get married to that woman again in a traditional way. You can see men, they can marry 3 times for 2 years. Ask me, which one are they doing out of those 2 marriages? They do the traditional one. Because the traditional one, for their mind, it has no law. That is what they are thinking. That is why when you see most of them today, they marry and marry and marry in true traditional way, and the marriage is not working. Because these people feel that they can insult traditional marriage, and they think they can disgrace traditional marriage, and they think in traditional marriage they can marry anyhow they like to marry. But remember, the God of your land, they are watching you people. And the second marriage is not going to favor you people. And the third marriage is not going to favor you people, because the gods of your community know that you are not a faithful man. You are not a truthful man. God do judge. You can be judging, say, hey, my wife not good, because may they quickly their mess. May they can quickly their mess so far. May. Because the people always find fault on women when it comes to marriage. People always find fault. Women, they get fault. So that they will say, a woman, I get house. A man went outside to go and marry a woman and brought that woman to his house. Who's supposed to hold that marriage home? Is it not the woman? It's like you went to market and buy a goat. Then every morning, you have to give that goat money, food to eat. You have to give that goat water to drink. Because why? It's your personal issue. If you are a man, you can buy dog into your house. You take care of your dog. Why can't you take care of human being? Dog doesn't walk. Dog doesn't bath by himself. Dog, you cannot put food there. Dog will be eating it. Dog doesn't use spoon. But you people, you can bear with your dog. You can take care of your dog. You see people today, they cannot take care of their home, but they can take care of pets. You can take mess from the pets, but you cannot take mess from your wife. If they will say, at the one, a woman fought day. No, you people know they get fought. Now the marriage, now the woman not work the marriage well. No, the man no, now the man they do the marriage well. Now the man they do the marriage well. That is where you people get it wrong. Did you know how Nigeria may get it wrong to this stage? Their traditional marriage. I wish the traditional law is like white law. You will see a lot of women, a lot of men, they will not be doing useless things. You will not see men, they will be doing stupid things. Because why? Because why? You people, you abuse traditional. And I make up the punish you now. You people say, yeah, traditional. Why can't you marry this year? You divorce inside this year. Next year again, you go marry. Where they go marry? Now traditional wedding. Why did you go to church? You married the first time you marry from church. The same time, you still do your own traditional wedding. When you guys get divorced, you return your bride price. Then you run again and got married. Okay, the second wife. Why did you take that second wife to the church? The same thing you do to your first wife. Why can't you do it? Because the white community, they don't do that. The white law of marriage, they don't do that. That is why you people, you know, they run, they go tradition. A foolish man will marry this year. Next year, the man go divorce. You go see another woman carry again. Where they carry and go a village. You want to go marry traditional. Because traditional accept you people useless life. You see men and they born children, they go throw away children. And they see they give women belly, they go. And they're not there with their children. You see a man of 60, 50, 40, something years, as old as they are, no picking where they call them daddy. There is no children calling them daddy. Now they go eat finish by themselves. Now they go carry plate by themselves. They just say now the olden days. I want to go marry. In the olden days, when men were men, man can marry 3 wives. They will stay the same house. The man will say, my wife, now your room be this one. My wife, now your room be this one. My wife, now your room be this one. You go share room for her. You go see share for the children. You see the men today, they abuse traditional because now traditional, now they quit their past. That is why they can never progress. They can never be good in life. Look at the way this man called Emeka, look at the way they yam, they shout. Who is this man? This man is crazy. Emeka is a madman. If you should shout for your son like that, man, you demand. Your grown-up son like that. Showing the people, the wife said that you are a wife beater. The way you were shouting, show that you are a wife beater. You just show it. Why some busy Nigeria people, they don't see it? You show it. Everybody see it. Even the voice recording that came out. If you should be shouting on voice recording like that, why you not go shout for ordinary grant? If, as the way we take shout for voice recording, you can hit person for face to face. When you were coming out shouting, ratting, because you are a Lollywood actress, whether I'm an actress now you be, I don't know what I want to call you, because you be Lollywood actor. You think that when you come to social media, people they are going to support you for your failure. You are a failure. Emeka, if nobody told you that you are a failure, you are a failure. You are a failure. Before your children will run away from you, you the abuse family. You are a child abuser, you are a wife abuser. Who not go scared for you? When you always raise up your hand and beat your wife, and your children, they are there. They run for you. I wish you are a good man. No matter how woman go get bad mind rich, say make it spoil children. Lie. Or let's say the man they do anyhow. If not normal, the children will say, Mommy, what you are telling me, you are lying. I'm here. I know what my father can do. This one you are saying, no. And if woman good, you not go feel spoil picky with lie. You go tell picky say, you know what happened. This is how everything goes. You look at the way you come out like a madman. Emeka, when I saw you, the last video that you did, when I saw you, I said, this man is a madman. Look at your color. Look at the way you're okay. Look at, I said, look, all your men, they are in their house. You are, make una the disgrace on yourself, those Nigerian men. Now you are shouting. Look at the rest actor. Look, the one when they carry come out that they say, Nigerian people come, they saw the actor, say the actor, they bleach. Now God say, this guy, he not they bleach. Which cream he go take bleach rich like this? Now this thing use all those fit, all those edit, this thing I use. Look at the day when that man, when he carry a pikin, take picture, carry his son, take picture. Make they are busy doing things with their wife. Una go crazy come and call the shout for Facebook. Aren't you ashamed of yourself? As big as you are, you're supposed to deal with your family. No. Una not so na Johnny say he go take una like this. Una biti say una go do boy. But una not so na go old one day. Una not so na go old. Look at the way Don Johnson is not going to see you. Now let Don Johnson be musician with the Nigeria. Now let Don Johnson, as wicked as this man is, pray for good person not to relocate your child. You are praying for good person may not locate your child to see that you are a wicked soul, no matter how. If some children they are bad, their father will not be insulting them. Don Johnson will not locate you. Now let Don Johnson. How many people when Don Johnson don't locate when they be billionaire? How many people when Don Johnson don't locate when they be billionaire? When they say as they see Don Johnson, now they be billionaire. When Don Johnson, when you they come they insult your children because of Don Johnson, is it not somebody that tell Don Johnson say maybe they come Nigeria, maybe they play music for Nigeria? Not be person tell her. Who tell her? All of them know. They use her even to do live video that year. Who tell her? You will look at what you are saying. Aren't you ashamed of yourself? You not even feel use yourself to make example. You not feel use yourself to make example. You they use another man to they make example. And Don Johnson will not see you. That Johnson will not see you. That Johnson will not locate you. Don Johnson not Jesus Christ. Is Don Johnson Jesus Christ? Look at now. When the man fail, this is how they shout. I feel talk a man when you know get who they torture. Any woman when by mistake marry that man is gonna. Because they always find woman fault. Woman not make his house work. Woman not make his house work. Men they know they make their house work. Not be only woman they fail for marriage. Man see they fail for marriage. If man not they fail for marriage, why man they marry reach 3 times? At the end of the day, wife not go there with them for house. If the man is not a failure, you marry number 1, you fail. You marry 2, you fail. You don't see enter 3rd. And you see they fail for inside the 3rd. Until the day when that 3rd one will come break up. Before you know, you'll go marry 4th again. Because why? Women full everywhere. You say, no, I beg. Your first wife, I don't know what happened. You not consign me. Everybody not get the same character. Not be everybody not get the same character. Now that man character. Now you they say everybody not get the same character. Say your character different. The same character when they with that man, he dey with that man, he not go fit change. Not to say everybody not there with the same character. Now your character you go talk. Not be the man when woman don't leave. Not be the man when 3 women don't leave. Not be you go tell everybody get your character. That woman, that man, the character sit there with that man. That is why when you see most of those people sometimes, they are, when they call they shout, people call they tell say, they don't tell you say, now so the man be. They don't tell you say, now so the man be. Look at you. Say Don Johnson. Look at the way you dey ticker for ground. That Johnson will not locate you. That Johnson will not locate you. Don Johnson na Jesus Christ. What of now? What did I call you, Emeka? What of now? That word when you talk, Don Johnson go locate your son. Did you know that word when you talk will make Don Johnson locate your son? Because sometimes, when you feel that you dey fight person, you don't dey pursue the person enter good place. That word when you talk now, Don Johnson when you dey talk say Don Johnson can never locate your son. Don Johnson can never. The day you go talk say God no go locate you. Now that day God go locate you. Emeka Ike. You came out the first time. You were shouting, your wife do this, your wife do that, your wife do this, your wife do that. People took it from you. They eat from it, they throw it away. It's not to years back. You still come. How many years did you do that video the first time? I think it was 2 years now, if I'm not forgot. Is it last year? I don't know. When the fair craze come out. When the fair craze come out. Now so if I Zuzu finish, it come out. Inside this year now, Isuzu come again. I traveled to somewhere. When I come back, I didn't see my house again. My house was moved out of this place. This one was moved out. This was moved out. I said, they see they carry house travel again. Your wife sell all your belongings. Your wife just sell all your belongings on behalf of you. Where they happen? Did you know I'm not interested about say you get house? That one concern me. Did you know what I'm interested? The way you bring your own son come, your audio come out when you take they talk to your son. Make it go chase this one. Make it go chase this one. To see that a reasonable human be men when be men. Not be men when not be men. All those useless one when they block you. When they try to support you. Men when they be men. They no say you are a failure. You say you are a low. You will be a low. Because when you people are doing this for the early age, una not say una go be a low. Una not gonna say this time go come. You don't see your children again. You don't see there is no men. They separate with their wife. They see their children. If you are that good, how can your wife separate you from your children? Your children, they are big enough. No matter how your wife go talk. There is some children, their father, they see them for Facebook. Through there, they go, they chat with their father. Their pikin go even tell their mama, say, and I see somebody with the same name with me, I chat with that person. Mama Okoto, so will be, will come mention your name. Mama Okoto say, oh, is your father. You say, wow. Some people, when they don't know their father. They find their father, they find their children through Facebook. They secretly go, they find their children through Facebook. Now their children will come tell their mama, say, there is somebody that always follow me, said it's my father. You come out, you they shout. This is the time you'll be enjoying your family. Now this time I'm supposed to enjoy my family. When I go, they do kitty kitty, kata kata, kitty kitty, kata kata. Today now, cry, see your face. When you see this man's face, you see failure. When you see Emeka Ike's face, you see failure. When you see Emeka Ike's face, you see frustration. When you see Emeka Ike, all of the art movie together, with the same age mate with them, if you see them now, they go fine. Their gray hair, when if you don't enter inside their hair, when he enter inside their hair, their gray hair go match them, your consistency, so come shape, they come fine with their children. You deserve from to get peace. Today now you they shout. Look how only they shout when you they shout. Because you know why they shout for you now? Because you they shout. I know the normal they shout if they do video. When I see your recording, I say this man is devastated. A reasonable man will not do what you do on that voice recording. Any reasonable human being should know that this man is a madman at this moment. Did you know what is children? Did you know what is children? There is a stage when you go rich, you go not say family. Marry need family. Marry need family. People they say, why your son will come talk? Why your son will come talk? The time when IK come out, come talk. Emeka come out. If I come out, I come Zuzu. How many years ago? His wife no come. After that one, inside this year, he still come out, come Zuzu. When he was saying that my house was moved, I didn't see my house again. My house was moved out of where I built my house. My property was moved out of where I put my property. Now, because I say house don't see get leg when you see the waka again. Now I make a mouth. Now we hear say leg, house don't get leg. Now I make a mouth. We hear say house don't get feather when it flew off for where he built the house put. When you see some men when you get mouth like this woman even try to even live with this man. This man have talk for his mouth. Any man that have talk for mouth, you can never defeat that man in anything in life. You know if you defeat him. When it comes to lie, when it comes to brand, when he go arrange am for you. Now be this Emeka Ike. They say the Johnson not gonna you are so jealous. You are so jealous. People say, go and meet your father. Your father, they curse you. Your father curse you. Your father curse you. Now, Jesus Christ, now your father be. Before the cause of a father go reach a pikin body, you go know say, now a pikin insult in father. Did Emeka Ike's son insulted Emeka Ike? He never insulted Emeka Ike. You, the blogger, you are saying that he insulted. He didn't insult Emeka Ike. What did Emeka Ike do with mama? Now his son talk. Now his son talk. Una go abuse una wife. Una go abuse una children. You people don't let una children to come explain to waiting that they pass through. Una don't put una children for depression. Una put una children for depression. If they shall say the justice not go locate you, you know the shame. What of this video when you do now? Don Johnson go come locate your son. Now Don Johnson now they give a biro when they sign person in as a musician, as a newcomer musician. As a newcomer musician, now Don Johnson now they carry the paper and pen give. Now be the judge. You see how jealousy, a father jealousy his son. The justice will never locate you. The justice will never locate you. Is Don Johnson Jesus Christ? Look at what this man did to his own blood. That Don Johnson say now for the whole Nigeria say, oh, you don't even mention Davido. You don't mention Davido. You don't mention Timaya. You don't mention Tubaba. You don't mention P Square. You don't mention Flavor Banya. You dey mention Don Johnson, just Johnson will never locate you. Your son tell you say they find Don Johnson. Now Don Johnson now it be music this thing. If you not go meet Don Johnson, you not go fit be musician. The rest Nigeria musician, they meet Don Johnson before they become a musician. Look at this man. This man, you are a disgrace to a fatherhood. If you should release that video, that word, if that word should come out from your mouth, you said that word to your son. That means you are an irrelevant man. People don't come, they say the son is Sultan. How the son is Sultan? When Emeka Ike come out the first time, what you not do? Most of una talk say Emeka Ike, you talk finish. How go tell no say na true you they talk? He come out for the first time, he talk. Una carry out, he go BBC, he go everywhere. He go the fool himself for there. Then after he talk finish, he enter house. Now they say, we not fit settle this matter. We not hear of your wife. I want to settle the matter. That first craze, we don't feel come craze. That one wife come out. The early this year, he craze come out again. As people they say, Emeka, you don't come out again. The one where you first come talk, your wife not come out. We not see your wife. Now, his wife now don't come out. Come talk waiting see for your husband house when he go. Now, they talk say why his son go follow his mama come. Why his son not go follow his mama go there? Why his son not go follow his mama go there? I wish if those children was with Emeka Ike take care of those children. If something like this still happen, say the children there with Emeka Ike, waiting that his son do when they follow mama go there. If na Emeka Ike was a nice person, is a nice daddy, say mama na ain't bad, the son go still follow papa go there. Look at the way they shout. Go hit rock. Go hit this one. Go hit that one. To see the bitterness in you. Your bitterness, Oga, it bitter pass. Your bitterness fit by person. Your bitterness be like bitter leaf root. No matter how you go zuzu reach, bitter leaf root. They want to use and take cook medicine for person drink because you go buy the person. Now, so now your bitterness can be. When you see this man's voice, you know this man is a beast. We don't come across men like this. They go, you see men like that? Nobody will fit out of them for this life. They not papa go talk, they no go hear. Brother go talk, they no go hear. Family member go talk, they no go hear. Auntie go talk, they no go hear. Mama go talk, they no go hear. They no they listen to anybody. Only waiting, they just know. They don't they look their chest, their chest, their chest, their chest, their chest. Look at the way you shout. A real mature person that have brain, no say, now frustration, they worry you. You are too frustrated. You see what your mate they do. Go to Facebook now, see actress. Old school like you, look at the way that they bring their wife come out. They tell you say with their wife, they know they get misunderstanding. Una go they do my baba, I too fine, I too fine, I too fine. Una not say get where una go rich. Una go gog. Now goggy, now they worry you so. You over goggy. Now gog they worry you so. Can you start family at this your age now? And people when they talk. Can you start family at this your age now? Which family Emeka Ike go start again? Emeka Ike should be 50-something years old now. 52, 53. If he never pass, should be 52. Around that kind 50-something. Can Emeka Ike now marry now? Say he want table. That they go see wife, see woman, they'll just take play. They'll say women fool everywhere. If you go, I will see woman marry, woman fool everywhere now. Everywhere, woman. Not be woman fool everywhere that they talk. Can you see the first woman when you feel married, when you feel happy with your children, before you come crazy, enter street? They'll come they find that woman. They'll come they find that life. That beautiful life when God gives them. They misuse them. They turn the world upside down. They confess and then they on top. They never think one day say, they go old. These people never think one day say they go get gray hair for their head. These people never think one day say their children will become taller than them. These people never think one day say my pikin go still grow rich like me. Now only the men will be say they get brain. If he pikin come the day and you go say, my pikin, you don't reach my chest now. Remember when you go talk past me. Some stupid men, they don't know whether something like that. Why are you shouting? Why they yarn? Why they shout? Why? Even your shout, frustration day inside. Frustration day inside. You don't frustrate. It day inside your shout. A person when he get brain, he know say that your shout frustration plenty. Your frustration too much, you don't burst. Go hawk that thing. I tell you, go and hawk car. I tell you, go hawk electric. I tell you, go hawk transformer. I tell you, go hawk this thing. You are just making noise. When you they shout like that, your pikin go laugh. You go say, my daddy don't frustrate like this. Now so my daddy can't just be. You think that your shout go affect your children or your son? Your shout don't feel affect your son. At this moment, your son they live his life. Now you they pay, he can't pay. When they say he can't pay, people say, why they say he can't pay? You are hurting yourself. If you don't shout finish, now your son will go do what he want go do. You think that now that little boy, when you they say, come here, come and sit down here. No. When children don't they reach 16, 17, 18, they are big boys on their own. They are big boys. Now, you they shout. You are shouting. At your age, is it now you'll be coming to be talking rubbish? At your age, your mates, they are coming. They show their hotel. They show waiting, they use their life, they do. You know they see your mates. See your mates. Even the one will be say they're married for a very long time. They're not going to see pikin born. They are with their children. See this person, Tony Ume. See Tony Ume, they are be waiting that they call her. See that one with your children. See this person. Where they call this second man? Oh, I don't forget what they call that man. You they shout. Bro, your shout not reach anywhere. We don't use to your shout. If outsider should use to your shout, your children they are used to your shout. You will you all cry, you all start. If they see that they talk like that, they don't know what they want to do again. Now rubbish, because they tell your season, they go judge their wife, matter, judge. Their wife, when they judge their matter, their wife, they progress, they go. Anywhere when they reach, how your wife now? That woman. They don't overnight turn to wolf. They even wolf, no, they shout like this. Ooh, Emeka, ooh, now shout you can't they shout. And this shout not go help you. At this age, this man not see change. How you want to change? Which a reason and a woman now go see Emeka Ike now. You go see go marry him. Oh, Emeka Ike as it is, so if that shan't give me, say me I carry, make a dey fuck am. I know they carry. You don't laugh, my personal person. As Emeka, they'll say, lovely, I say, they'll say, come carry Emeka Ike. Only this art, one Emeka Ike art. No. Emeka Ike, your shouting show that you don't already fail. You are fail for marriage. You fail to bring children up. You don't fail for the society. Waiting at the art movie. Reach Facebook now, movie full everywhere. Everybody, comedian people full outside now. People when they do comedy. Now they come, they even watch. They know they watch you now again. You know not say day like this go come. Oh. Now this one they call out to quite risky. You don't risky for your place now. Yeah, the Josie will not see you. The Josie will not locate you. The Josie now you hold the key of musician. Why you not mention Timaya? Say Timaya no go, you no go see your pikin. Why you not mention Bona Boy? Why you not mention Tokina? Whether they call that one when they say Tokina, Nenevi. I know all of them, their name. Why you not mention Davido? Now let Don Johnson now you see Don Johnson not gonna locate you. That what of us you can't talk of this guy now? Do you know why he used that word? You see these people, they can blackmail you. Do you know why he used that word for his son? I think his son is a lover of Don Johnson. Yes. Now for that, yeah, frustrated people always seek attention. It is attention seeker. He not go fit stay now. When he bring his face come, when I see this guy face, I say people went frustrated now, so their face they be. He say when he come back, the place where he built the house, the house have moved away. Now so your house don't get leg. You don't get leg, you don't get hand, you don't get wind where you want to come out for where you put on. Frustration. We know now. Now at the end of the day, now inside poto now they go play. Inside poto. A man with family, with good place, with place where they sent, all of them now that they smell akbu. That they smell akbu. And that they smell yabas. Anywhere when they see woman, they go carry. Even if a woman they inside poto, they go carry. Woman they inside this thing, they'll go home small money for pocket. Because they see say the background and poverty. Sticky background, they can't go use money to entice the family. Now be waiting the worry now for Nigeria. Now be waiting now money. If not be suffer way de Nigeria, which woman go marry man we don't marry? A young woman go come on, you go marry man we don't marry 3 times. A young girl go come on, go marry man we don't marry 5 times. And wife no stay. You know, say this man don't marry 5 times. No woman dey in house. And you hear yourself, you go see enter. Now you be house builder. Now you the stone when the women first build the house. The stone not be better stone. Now you they carry better stone. Come build that family. A lot of these men today, they daydream say, oh, I wish I was with my family. I will sit down. We will eat together. Oh, see waiting. Other men now, look at. Now that one I kill him. When you see fellow men, see children. If you be married person, You be woman when day here, you be man when day here. Waiting day marriage na children. Another thing no day. If husband and wife, they marry now, they not born. This one go in separate part. That one go in separate part. It don't end be that. But when pikin evolve, you no go fit go. Carry class now. The wood way, rope when he join Emeka Ike now, with the family now. Carry class, cut am. If you carry class, they cut that rope. Emeka Ike no go still comot for there. Now there is so there now. Now do you know what is connection? Only say the woman already say you know what again. This man is crying for help. He don't know how to come. He don't say he don't lose her for life. Play with your family, play with your children. Play with the woman when God give you. If they want to women for everywhere. No, not be women for everywhere that they talk. At the end of the day, they are looking for that perfect woman. And they want to build a home. Did you say, now God go come bless you. Now all you want God create. God bless you. He give you nice wife, nice children. Give you all. He prepare your table for you. It is then when they marry now waiting for that they do. He say God will prepare your table for you, you and your children. The prayer when Father pray for you in heaven, Holy Spirit when they heaven, all of them they will put amen. Or to the day when you don't use your hand to scatter the table. They don't scatter the table. They got the boss. They go say, I mean, if you want to go, you go now. I don't. That they'll go get devil voice. They'll go get devil voice. Only waiting now. The deeper of their voice. Now they'll come the door. If you want to go now. Now let you want the other women go outside now. You go not say you not doing no my game. Look then when you see these men. Now the bottom of their voice, now they come they speak. That the demons in them. Now you can see they speak that time. Do you know it get where God go take himself out of you. The demon will visit you. Not let God leave you. If God depart from you, there is another person that will lead you. And that one will lead you to your misfortune. Now you see say that they always they pray, put God, please do not depart from me. When God depart from you, who you go embrace you? Now many thoughts go they call your mind. Different that thoughts when they call your mind. They know they see Satan face to face. Now the thoughts when you go the thoughts for your mind. Now through there, now Satan go they walk through you. Go say no worry my pikin. Women fool everywhere. God not go talk say no worry my pikin. Women fool everywhere. God can never put that in your mind. He will say no worry. Women fool everywhere. He will use different foreign women take the tempt to because why? Most of them they be flatter. They know if woman pass now, they will follow the woman reach house. Look at this one now. Now the deeper of the voice now, I can't take the tone. Now that one you tell no say God don't leave her. He just did this here, he just they exist. God have left Emeka Ike. God have left you. See the deeper of the voice. When you see man is speaking with the deeper of the voice, you know that the Spirit of God have left that man. A real child of God doesn't speak like that. When a real seer, the people that have brain, see say man they talk like they will say, bro, now another voice you can't use. Why? Why you they use another voice? Your real voice not there with you again. Because why? God have left you. The way when you tell left the something when God give you. The way when you tell betrayed your family. The way when you tell betray your wife and your children. God will also betray you. Come on now, bitch. Come on. When it fall on you, you go change overnight. When you with your mate go sit down. Now then they'll call they ask you, say, now your senior brother be this one. Not be senior brother, now age mate. Now they be. Because why? This one na in the morning now. This man and I go enter kitchen, go do food by himself. You will see some women now, their husband will call them, honey, where are you? He goes, are you on your breakfast, your lunch place? He will say, yes, I'm just driving to my lunch place now, where they take a lunch. If he take a break in the afternoon. You go wake up now, you'll see, say, this man, they don't make baku by himself. When a married man, he don't do this thing 2 times, bachelor 2 times, you go know say the married man is gone. Pray if you be man, you they wash me. Pray may you not do bachelor 2 times. Pray may you not do bachelor 2 times. There is a lot of men today. They don't fit do bachelor when they did their early age. When they got married, their bachelor stop. When they divorce their wife, they start bachelor again. Any man that do bachelor 2 times, you are a goner. You be goner. Man when do bachelor 2 times, the man can never serious with any woman. Because he go for first one, he go lay for a mama hand. When he don't lay for a mama hand, finish. When he not there again, say he enter school. He don't dey cook by himself, be that. After he don't finish school, he don't marry. Then his wife go dey cook for him. You see, huh? His wife go dey cook for him. From there, he go still learn another food for his wife. His wife dey cook for them. Say, what are you making today? You say, oh wow, I've never tasted this food before. Because you can be Igbo, I can be Ishan. Your mama use your Igbo food to train you. Then when you come marry me now, Ishan food now go dey cook. Maybe if I want to learn Igbo, I can decide to learn to please you. You see, huh? Then you now marry. If your wife dey kitchen, if your wife dey cook different food, when you be say your mama never cook for you before, you don't still learn from there. From there now, you don't scatter your family. You don't become who they cook by yourself. Second time bachelor. You learn how to cook for your mama. You still go learn how to cook for your wife. Later, you with your wife not there again. Any woman way they call your way, they know they use am serious again. Because they can cook by themselves. Hey, way! Hey! My people will not be so. They can cook by themselves. Now, this man now second time and they do bachelor. Second time, he do bachelor when he dey youth age. After he go school finish, he marry. After he divorce now, he become bachelor go for the second time. Emeka, you be bachelor. Any man will be bachelor the second time. The man is a useless man. Now useless man. Now then you go see some men when be say they lost their wife. You will tell your friend say, I want to be bachelor the second time. You see? Second time bachelor, something must happen. It must be something that will pay you for the rest of your life. Second bachelor. You see, some men they will be say they do second time bachelor. Their wife die. You see waiting and they explain they come now. Their wife die. Now it make them do bachelor second time. To see bachelor second time, you know good. If you are a man here, don't try to ever do second time bachelor. It's not evil thing. See person when wife die, he do bachelor the second thing. Wife die, waiting me be that. Now sorrow. We can say, oh, because they tell friends say, oh, since when wife die. See, me when not the bachelor for how many years. I don't know how they make tea again. Since when wife die, he don't enter bachelor again. Hello, my love. How you doing? Happy Christmas, my dear. Our children. Coco, they tell friends, say, see, your friend will go, they talk, say, yeah, you still settled there, find somebody marry. Go say, you know one marry now. You know one marry now. Some people go say, no, they complain. If you know one marry now, you will be bachelor now. Bachelor, second time, now disaster. When you leave your wife, you leave her, you become a bachelor. The end of it, you not go good. And when your wife die, you become a bachelor. You not see as it be now disaster. Any man that do bachelor the second time, and I go tell you how it be. A 50 years old man will come to slice onions by himself. 50 years old man. From January to December. He don't carry women don't know her. Women don't know her. Waiting the man they find. He don't come see her again. The man go frustrate. He go there everywhere. If he say he want to use woman, can't they console himself? Woman can never console you when you don't give your life to Christ. When you don't know where you are getting wrong. A person in this life, a human being in this life, supposed to know where his or her is getting wrong. Then you correct that mistake. No. See Anna. The time when Emeka Ike they follow this wife they fight now. Are you going to tell me now that Emeka Ike not get mistress that time? Emeka Ike not get who they friend that time? When the wife don't live Anna for how many years? Emeka Ike not get girlfriend? It not work. The relationship not work. It frustrate. As it don't frustrate now, see the time when he come to the shout. He don't old now. He don't enter his old age. Now he come to shout. Emeka Ike, I bet shouting is not going to help you. What you are going to do for us? Try. Go marry. Then you check her. Whether the first table when God go, when he fair arrange for you, whether not the table, whether not God go arrange, you don't go complete. When you use your hand to destroy your life, it's not going to complete. If na person ain't destroying for you, God go judge put. God go lift you up. But if now you use your hand to destroy your life, you are a gunner. Many men like you, they outside there, that they cry. Some of them are crying. The life they are living today. If the wife, when they marry, they'll say, you say, I beg, leave me. I beg, na so na job be. You want start again? I beg, leave me, na so na be. You know, see, you're going to put that aggressive, you're going to put on for the woman, but now so they go do, the woman will say, you know, fit again, the woman will still live on. With the kind character, like some way they sleep outside, like some way they beat woman, like some way they shout, like some way they do anyhow. So like some way they sleep house. Because if they want that first marriage where he did, that first marriage when it start for the beginning, you know say now that first marriage say now he got a blessing. You don't know. You don't know say now that first marriage got a blessing. You just take play. If you come say you go see that same, the same quality. It just be like say you go market sometimes. If you read that, you'll see orange buy. The orange go sweet. When you go again, if you read that, you say the orange, you know they again. Because now sweet orange, people when you don't buy and peel and eat. When they reach how they say it's sweet, they'll quickly rush go say, this orange too sweet. Eh? If they shout, do you know what is frustration? Look at now when you see man, they use the inner voice, they talk. You're not gonna make her. Go punish her. You're not gonna know Don Johnson. Don Johnson can never say you. Now me tell you, go hawk rock, go hawk this, go hawk that. When you see men and using their innermost voice, come they talk, you know say God don't leave her. God that left you. When God leave you, no matter how you go strong or rich for this life, don't play with children. Children, angel of children, they are very strong. When you see some man and when they marry, go say, when I born my child, when I born this pikin, did you know that they give me another level for this thing? They promote me. My sister, you don't laugh. Now so, if God live there, you come here and say, now that voice, now they come to the door. Now me, they talk to like that. Do they crash? Do they crash? I live there. Where your real voice when God give you? Where? Don't go. God don't leave you. A man will be say is a cool man. Say the man no offend the wife, no offend the children. Maybe na his wife offend them. If you want talk, God. Now God when they heaven and they judge you. God can never left that man. When they talk, when they use the real voice. He get where this one will talk rich. Now if we elderly men go say, why you they use this voice? The voice where Emeka Ike they use now, na Satan voice. When a man frustrates, all the man go embrace, he go embrace Satan. When man frustrates, now Satan go call embrace. Now Satan go call the torturer. Now Satan will call the whisper to ear. You should don't come here with your irrelevant say, you know, get brain pass. People get brain for out there. Let me speak to you. I am a spiritual mother. I get mothers. I get spiritual mothers. When I speak, I know they talk because I want to talk. Where is your voice? Where your voice? The devil has told you. The devil don't steal you. The devil don't destroy you. The devil don't use you. He don't dump you. You expect to make God come they follow devil, they fight. How many people, how many devil God want to fight? How many? You go fight the one when they inside you. You go fight the one when they inside another useless man. Now so devil, now God want to fight. Devil, now he leave God by himself. Because God no minor. Now he waka leave God by himself. You know, yeah, you know the inside Bible. The pastor where they preach on, they preach for now. God with devil leave each other. When God sees say the devil want to the zuzu, waiting don't create finish, he want to create time again. I go say, I bet make I leave you for here. Now waiting I don't create finish. Now you want to create. Waiting I don't create finish. You want to share me say you for put eye for here, you for put head for here, you for put neck for here, you for put this. The same thing when God creates. Now you got to tell God say see the way when you for take do one. Son, they there. Why you don't use and take create human being? Now, true son, I got to create us. You won't be the devil, you know. And the son, they there when God take create us. You don't finish him. God finish the son. No. The son see for you. Okay, Satan, you use your own. No. The one where God do finish, now you can't put something for their mind. Now, then do Emeka Ike like this. The demons inside Emeka Ike now, he passed 40-something demons. If you carry this one reach inside side, hey, even the demons in inside they go wrong. They also another demons don't come. Look at the way he's speaking. And Don Johnson will not locate you. Don Johnson and Jesus Christ. Before a man start to the sweat for his pikin, you go not say the man, the pikin follow a papa fight. You go knock your papa. When your papa go knock your papa back. Papa will say, as you take beat me, so now so pikin go take beat you. As far as your pikin no beat you, as far as your pikin no insult you, you they try to they insult your children. They lay cost for your pikin. It no go. You should know by this time, say your standard. Since when you they do this thing, how you do you now? Did you stand well as a man? No, you don't stand well as a man. But the family, when you they insult, your family is growing every day by day, Emeka Ike. Your family is growing every day by day. Then your own family, you they use, you want destroy them. Said I say you be Satan ye. Now you be the you are as a Satan. May I talk and go, you don't be me. You are as I am as a Satan. Look at your life. Man, you people should learn from this one. A lot of men, if you are a young guy there, you have family. You people should learn. Not to say, na woman, I dey repair house, you're going to mess up. At the end of the day, you end up like Emeka Ike. Wait till they piece Emeka Ike up now. Wait till they piece her up. There is nobody around them. All he made when they stand Nollywood together. The one when his wife die, all of them, they marry again. They are still happy with their wife. In night they shout up and down. I will tell you. Use your real voice. Emeka Ike, this is not your voice. When we know you, say you the art moving. This is not your voice. Use your real voice. Una don't know the meaning of human being. Una go they abuse human being. Una feel say now una get this thing. See where you land now. How you take the eat now? Na buka now you they go eat. you become a second, you do second time bachelor. When a man do second chance bachelor, second times bachelor, the man is a cursed man. True, what do you tell no? The women when that they lost their wife. Now you tell no, say second time bachelor, na disaster. Just check for men when they lost their wife. The men go, they cry. Ha! Go say, I enter house, no wife. Now me go enter kitchen by myself. You now second time, and you don't waka go here. As the day when you come out now, you be like person when they use takote rub the face. You be like person when Holy Ghost fire burn face. Now Holy Ghost fire now burn your face. Emeka Ike, stop shouting. You see me, maybe you can come across the video. If you like, no cross sign. If you like cross sign, no consign me. I am a mother of 3 children. My first daughter is 22 years. My second daughter is 19 years. My boy, he don't enter 17 years. I stay with them. They grow up with me. They live the good life, live the best life. A man that personally train his children, not they lay cost for his children. Because he know the effort when they train children can never. You don't see some papa now, if you fall, you go tell because if I slap you just now, we say you not be, if I slap you just now. Papa will go, Piki will go, Papa, Daddy, please don't slap me. You are laying cost for your Piki. They tell your Piki, say, go and hit rock. The cost when Emeka hit cost, he go reach Piki body. How? When Emeka Ike, they use the worst voice. I'll beat you. What is that the way he won't walk? He's cracking. The guy don't crack. Something way he crack, he don't finish. He's not a cracking vessel. Yes, my person is very bad of him. See the voice when they use. That Josie will not see you. Josie will not locate you. That Josie will not see you. That Josie na be the director of Nigeria musician. Is it the Josie? Look at what you are saying. Did you know why he used that the Josie? Whether not Dan Jassy, I believe that they call her. Did you know why he used that man? He used her for his children. He say the Josie na Piki, maybe na Piki favorite. That he make her one user. Because those men are waiting, they see say their children like pass, and now they want to use and take hit their children. They want to use and take strike their children. Because maybe Ipikin is a form of Don Josie. That is why he used Don Josie to strike Ipikin. Emeka Ike is a shame. It's a shame at this time you are not bringing your investment. You are not giving it to the world to see. Or what you are giving to the world to see, your failure. You are a disgrace to other men. Yes, you are a disgrace. Are you the only man that are ever divorced? Are you the only man that is a man? Their wife go sell their property. He go say, my bad, no fit talk. Don't sell her, don't sell her. First time, you come and come for yourself. The second time now, you come and come for yourself. And your wife now come fall out. Now, you don't PS. Your record is there everywhere. Clap for yourself. Bravo! Bravissima! Maleducata! Affanculo di merda. Clap for yourself. Bravo! Nonsense. Blood. So painful. Yeah! If they swear for yourself, not be picky. Picky don't waka. The goat, they say, if you swear for goat, when the goat waka turn back, it don't return this thing back to sender. This one no get anything to do with his son. This one not go reach there. My brother, and he not use the real voice. He not go reach. Now frustration voice now they use. You will not sit down, Johnson. Go hit this thing. I have told you. Go hit transformer. Go hit bridge. Go hit this thing. You know, he say he's not a frustrated man. He used the cracking voice, the low-air voice, not be the low-air voice, the broken voice. You see that he's broken. When you see some man, don't they use their inner deep of voice, the broken one of it. You know that they have broken. This man is devastated. He don't scatter for everywhere. He don't scatter. Make I use one live video presenter. He don't scatter for everywhere. Amosu. It's if I be Don Johnson, I will just sing the boy. Yes, now what I told just now. I said since he's using Don Johnson to strike the boy because he knows that his son is a fan of Don Johnson. That is why he's using Don Johnson to strike the guy whenever he wants to talk. That is how they behave. Your favorite, it's something when you like past night, they will come to strike you. We're not there. We have seen this kind of irrelevant men before. See some for inside now. Now inside where pig they pass. Now there they pass now. They reduce their self. They reduce their self. They want to make the family God give them years back when they don't feel take care of. They want me another woman can't do that same thing. No, say God get his own share for this life. When you reach your turn, God will give you. God not just feel famous and only you want to go they guide. Don Johnson is going to locate your son. And when Don Johnson locates, since you are using Don Johnson to strike your son, you know that your son is a form of Don Johnson. That is why you are using your son to do that, Don Johnson. That's why you are using Don Johnson to attack your son by mentioning Don Johnson's name whenever you are talking to your son. That is how. Because he's going to find him. If not Don Johnson, I ain't going to find your pikin. This video that you do, Don Johnson is going to find your son. Then your eye go open. You'll see, say, you're striking. You go fuck up. You go fall for your head. A wicked man. All of them, when they say, is that how you people treated your children? Is that how you behave when abandon our children finish? Our children don't become something for life. Say, our children don't go grow. They don't grow. Children, all of abandon that, they are not big boys. If you see them. When you see them, instead of you to play a fatherly role, no, they walk up and down. Don't tell me. I don't tell me I stay house. I don't stay house. I will tell me. The house I can't stay. That's they're going to do like hungry wolf. Look at now your deep voice. Now they use. When the man don't they use the deep voice, you will not say the man is crack of the world. You don't crack him out. The frustration is getting too much. Rubbish. Especially when they big. Yes! You cannot lie for children, especially when they are big. You think that boy is a... Did you see that boy? You not see that boy? May God not let that boy get your character. Do you know that there is a film where this one act, where that black Yoruba man act that time? When he come they marry... this woman, I think the woman don't die now. Because they beat at that time. For the movie, the man, they chop. What the movie say? I think it's this guy. This guy, the movie where he act. Now the movie, now he take do his wife so. Did you know that this man act a movie day when they beat wife? He learned from his father. Then the father can't die. Be like say, now mama can later buy his father for the movie. I'm not going to remember again. Now that black guy, I think that man is a Yoruba man. He just still resemble one. If you see and see this man, you think say they be brothers and sisters. That man a Yoruba man. When Emeka Ike grow up, he can't beat his wife for the movie. My personal person, you watch that movie. The movie was an old movie. He can't beat his wife. It be like say now he can't eat walnut. Now Emeka Ike can't eat walnut for the movie. And at that same movie now he consider do it wife. Karate. The son is too cool. The son is a cool guy. The man is already failed. With their faith, they use their inner voice, the cracky one. I want to deal with you. You will not locate Don Johnson. Don Johnson will not locate you. You will not see Don Johnson. Go on, performer. Go on. Use the voice that God gave to you. This voice you are using at this moment. It cause headache, frustration, depression. Emeka Ike coming out, cause they shout every time. Eh? You are not just making sense. What till you they look yourself? That time when they act movie, and they look yourself. If you the act movie say you fail as a man, you no fit bring your pikin. Your movie when una act that time. Eh? You can live through that movie. Take correct your mistake. You never learn. When you do movie that time, you don't get the time when you fit evil good self for movie. And at the attitude now you use for grand. That time, if they beat women, they beat girls. If they campus, they beat girls, they go. Now so. If man say we no for as he think, he go shout jealousy. And jealousy the warrior. Now so. When they see say you not for, my love, you are right. When they see that you are not for the way they want it to be, they will start shouting, and jealousy, it will be their portion. Okay, you don't like it moving. You know? For movie, say now so you take the fight that if they campus, you go, they follow people, they drag girlfriend, they fight. If the person call you the girlfriend for it, don't begin get one way. Oh, it also, you know when these people, if they leave you, your downfall, they go want your downfall. They'll just want your downfall. And they not say they are not your God. Somebody can be your wife. You not be that person God. You can marry person, you not be God. You are separated from her God. Or you are separated from his God. When somebody there under your roof, doesn't mean that you be that person God. No. Are you the one giving that person bread? Are you the give her bread because they put food for table? A lot of them be like this when they frustrate like this. So now they cook for kitchen by themselves now. 50-something years old man. He go they slice onions by himself. He go they test soup by himself. He go they use the etwag when they test soup. By this time, man, when you get beer, if you want test of bolo, how you go be? You go stay in beer. If you can't go, you beer go they smell soup. You never come across them. All those men when you don't go, if you pass them sometimes, they smell soup because now they go they cook by themselves. They are the one cooking by themselves. They don't know that life go come like this. I will say they'll feel change the chair, they'll feel rewind and go back, play back. You know, a lot of them for room. Now back they'll take room, go back to the place where they live. You know if you want to revise something back. If all of them they call you Ocean. If they don't they line. But you also okay, may put them for line. The one way they pretend say they marry, they go revise come on for there, go back to their wife. People they say, so the place one out there now, you not favor now. I say as all of them they return, come back home. Because you not let person one again. He's already gone, don't gone. If to say the ex-wife and the children usually he will never talk about them. He sees the woman and the children are living well without him, and he is not doing well. Now so, yeah, because he sees the children, the woman with the children, they are doing well. You know, say he never they might say they will do well. That is life. They can never, you know, this life, this family of issue, being married, be a married man, It just, with wife, it's just like when you plant a fruit, a tree, any fruit tree. Now wife be. You see in the days, you see most of them now, they don't think of days. They don't think of what happen days. You see some men, if they train up their family, they follow their father tradition. How waiting they have their village they exist that time. Now in some of them they see my papa okoro, that papa okoro that time. If they come, you go carry something, come for a wife, come for your children. Some men, they go use another man idea where they collect for village for another men when be say they get wife that time. Now they follow their children with their wife. What these people never knew, most of those men, they don't get brain. No. Instead of you to marry man when not get brain, you not marry na better pass. You know what those people don't know? Women is just like a tree. Let me just say woman a tree. You plant it. You see our forefather, even our father, our grandfather self, when they married that time, they will talk say, when our grandfather go marry come, now they plant this mango one and they chop today. Now another person for the community will say, the time when your papa go marry come, as he they marry this woman, as he marry and rich house, now that time now they plant this mango one and they eat today. You see, then a woman na fruit na woman be. It can be mango, it can be this thing, orange, it can be cocoa, it can be this thing. Say you plant am. When you plant am, that fruit when you plant, it don't begin to they grow. When it don't they grow now, it don't begin to they bear children. You see how a woman be. A man, you decide to marry a woman. You carry a car house. When you go marry this woman, come house for your father house. The woman not carry any picky follow body. He belly flat. He not pregnant. Come on for a papa house. Then when you marry and come reach your house, after some months, the woman can't get belly. He can't born. You know see Anna, he don't bear children for you. The tree when you go carry come on for your when you go carry come on for the girl papa house, carry come your house. You don't plant them for your house now. Now be that your woman, you don't they bear fruit to you. That means they don't they born to you, don't they born for you. Now it be if you reach village, they will say this man, you see this fruit, now it plant them. Don't say when you go marry a wife, come that time, now they plant this fruit. When that fruit don't they grow, your wife don't still they born. Your children, when the wife born, go come they eat for that fruit. Even the people when they the community, if papa will tell a story, say, you see this fruit when they eat so. Now the time when I marry your mama that time, now I plant this thing. Because he go say yes. Now another man go still come. He go say, this fruit one they see so now my friend that time when we go marry wife come. Now that time they plant this fruit. You can see and say the man with the wife with the children, they go there under that mango tree or orange tree. They go they peel and they chop. Even if say now their grandfather na he planter, something must follow that tree. That tree must get history for that compound. Now so woman be. When you go and marry a woman, come on for your father's house, it's just like a tree. It begin to they bear fruit for you. What did they call children? Fruit of the womb. To? Then when I go carry them come, you don't use class, say cut this thing. When you cut the fruit, come out. You don't finish. It don't finish. Nah. You they come they shout. Don Johnson now locate you. What of it Don Johnson can't locate your son? You are using Don Johnson to strike your son because maybe your son is a fan of Don Johnson. Say your son loves Don Johnson. Your son now follower of Don Johnson. You know that is why you are using that word. If Don Johnson now that one there your mind, Now that one you just they thought Don Johnson will not let Don Johnson be the musician when he in Nigeria. Because you know say your son is fond of Don Johnson. That is why you are using that word. That is how wicked men do. Now what the wicked men they do be that. Look at your life today. Why are you shouting? Who now feel say you want to frustrate at the end of the day? Now come frustrate. It there for woman, it there for man. When a good man marry a good woman, no, when a good man marry a bad woman, the woman, is useless that man life. Karma will cut up with that woman. Also a man. When a man marry a good woman, you decide to destroy your family, your home by yourself. Karma will cut up with you. It dey woman side, it dey man side. Now they talk of Don Johnson because you know say your son now he love Don Johnson. Now he make you they use until they say Don Johnson will not locate her. We pray since now that one. Oh, I will say I get Don Johnson number. I've all called Don Johnson say bro, Emeka Ike, his son love you. Now he make Emeka Ike they use her till they mock his son, bro. I bet collect that guy. I pray. So that you go cry anywhere when you follow come. Emeka Ike, if you not change, you go they cry. Now tears. Now you go they cry. You not ready they cry. You they cry. May they come carry on. They say if out they shout. Not be saying guy waiting, not get out to fight. If they shout to say, may you not come. They don't they carry me, they go where I don't know. It belongs. Behind telling say your son is about to be word winner. He won't destroy the son future. And also, this is how, do you know, waiting, they will feel if they leave children for the mama. That children, all of them go useless now. That children, all of them go useless now. And he see say children not useless now. Now Emeka go the shy. Don't wait to don't go stay for one place. They look whether the children go useless, whether the children go useless, whether the children go useless, whether the children go useless. You see say the children not useless. Now not feel bearer again. It's unbearable. Then he run come out. He run come out. He run come out. He don't hide cease. If he shoot finish, he will come out. If he shoot finish, he will come out. Go and use the children, they act movie. Movie when you act, 19 big no date. They don't even know the name again. If he hide finish, if he shoot finish, he go hide. They don't come now. They don't lose the bag. Make all the old cat where they inside the bag. Make they run come out. Now, you get a shot. Hey, I tell you, Don Johnson will not see you. Don Johnson will not locate you. Don Johnson, sis now Don Johnson, now you tell they do your picky. Tenere, see, I'm not go cut for you. Don Johnson not go meet you. Don Johnson not go meet you. As far as say, now you tell they do your picky like that. Now, Don Johnson must surely locate your son. And your son must surely locate Don Johnson, make you cry. You know as Nigerian people be now. If they want make you buy now, Don Johnson, you don't see your Don Johnson with your son. They don't they sing together. Wait till you want to do that time. You want to call Don Johnson say make it not let him sing. Don Johnson go get him money for there. Your son go get your money too. It's straight by barter. Yes, when this musician bring music, another one bring music, they combine them together. Because you see say your son like Don Johnson. Why you not talk of P Square? Why you not talk of Timaya? Why you not talk of Flavor Nabania? Why you not talk of this person, Davido? Talking now, what they call her? Why you not talk of her? All these musicians, why you not call their name? Wicked man. See her now. Use your voice. Your voice now, your real voice now. You not go feel use her again. Because he's gone. I wish you are with your children. You stay with your wife, with your children, that your voice go still there with you. Now your voice have leave you. Everything when God take bless you. You don't gog. God don't leave you. He don't leave you. Now make you come to shout. Ow, 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 ow. Attention seeker. They draw attention. You they roll rain. You want go call the whole rain for dry season. Who tell you say they want for dry season? You make the whole rain for rain season. Now you call the whole rain for dry season. For you to know say your juju not they work because you yourself know say rain no go for dry season. See now jealousy that they worry you so. All your actress now see all of them, see them with their children. See them with their children. Because they do katakiti. Which time you tell even they stay, they beat your wife self? Because I they see most of your mates, so they go out movie for Lagos, so they go out movie for Aba, so they go out movie for so place. Which time you tell they stay, they beat your wife? Ah, my property. Yes, the woman don't carry all the old property. You not gonna tell us your investment. Since how many years? No, you not gonna tell us your investment. Now your family, now you carry come Facebook. Oga, we want to see your investment as a Lollywood actor. Waiting, you don't become. Your mate, that they write movie. Your mate, they write movie. You they call your son. Now your son, now you put for air. Now your son, you they talk say Don Johnson not go see him. Look at very useless talk. When you say that word, I said this man, as you not a progress with your family, so, just the waka they go, leave your own family, your children, they will become something in life. I will say you buy uko. If you buy your picking no go, they not go leave. Don Johnson will not locate you. With people like this, something when you cherish past, now they wanted they beat you. That is who this Emeka Ike is. He know that son loves Don Johnson. That is why he they use Don Johnson to the mocker. You are a very wicked father. You not be better father. Not be father with pikin go quarrel. People go they call people say, oh my son no, I don't know, my son don't diverse. So me with my son diverse. So I bet more na me talk to my son no. You can't they talk all the time. I bet bro, then you go sleep. My people may I live una they don't dark, may I go sleep una good nights. And the peace of the Lord be with you people. If you be man for this media so, don't pray to be second time this thing bachelor. Now they worry this one. So second time bachelor, we see all of them. Don't see they carry nylon bag, they go do shopping for themselves. If you see married women when they married man, better one. If they want to go do shopping for their wife, we go use for the only waiting that where you they buy. I don't see a buy for you. Go say that shop where you did there. Now there they will come there. Anything where you want buy honey. Then now no honey, nothing. They will call they now they call they test soup by themselves. Call they cook back food by themselves. You don't see the way when this man take come out. When I see this man face, I say, oh, frustration don't wear this one skin. Frustration don't wear her skin. I say, this man, wait till buy your face like this. Why your face be like this? Now so their face they be. If you can't see them, if they laugh, they'll be like cheap as the way it don't old. When not they feel climb up again. You know what it be frustration? We don't see a lot of them. Now laugh, now we call they laugh. Nonsense. My people, now good night, Joe.